Ever wondered why local SEO is a big deal? It's key in driving traffic and generating leads. It's how small businesses connect with local customers and compete with larger companies. Local SEO, with its unique advantages, can be a game changer for your business. So, what makes local SEO a worthy investment for your business? It amplifies your visibility, drives targeted traffic, and boosts customer engagement. It's an effective strategy to build a strong local presence. Clearly, local SEO offers numerous benefits that can help your business thrive in the local market. However, like any other strategy, local SEO has its challenges. It can be time-consuming, often requiring constant updates to stay relevant. Immediate results aren't always guaranteed, making patience a virtue. Despite these challenges, the potential ROI of local SEO is undeniable. Wondering how to navigate the complexities of local SEO? Meet Authority Solutions, your local SEO specialists. We're here to help businesses conquer the challenges and reap the rewards of local SEO. Don't wait. Boost your local presence with Authority Solutions. Contact us today for your local SEO needs.